Puppies, you guys are just so cute. You have really started running around this week and your personalities are starting to come out and they are so different. Right, Mr. Silver? You are just super tiny and precious. And everybody has such a variety of coat. We have some curlies, we have some wavies, but then everybody has like these little distinct features like our little white paws, or some of them have kind of like a darker coat. Are you guys ready for your sound stimulation? The other day when we did this, it was a little challenging. We had some scurrying, and I understand that it's the first time doing big sounds, and so it was a little startling. So over the last couple of days, they've gotten so much better at it, and today these guys are actually 4 weeks old, and so officially it's the last day of their sound stimulation, but we do continue it on into the garage nursery. Are you guys ready? Oh, Mr. Black, you're so precious. All right. Very good, much better. What are you doing? Let's turn you around, Miss Purple. This is so much better. We have a ton of just calmness, no whining. I am really, really impressed with them. Oh, there's Charlie. So Charlie is actually Honey's mom. If you've been following our channel, you guys know that. And she's here for her last breeding for her retirement litter. But the last 2 times she's been here, this is her nursery. Like, she's had her puppies in here. So constantly I see her coming by that door. I think she thinks these guys are theirs, or hers. So she's super sweet. She's so cute. But her and Honey, they've had a great time playing together while she's been here. You guys are doing so good. All right, let's do it again. You ready? I'm gonna bring it a little closer. All right, Mr. Green definitely had a startle reflex, but he didn't run away, so that's really good. And I was telling all the puppies in the nursery that they were gonna get ready for you guys because you guys are transitioning in the next couple of days. Oh, Charlie agreed. They're gonna transition in the next couple of days. But Ellie and Willow's puppies, they're doing so good on the stairs. Are you nursing? Trying to nurse? They are coming up and down the stairs, and I am so proud of them because Willow's puppies, you know, they're some of the smallest ones that we've made. But they have really done great jumping on and off that coolaroo, and that has transitioned over to the stairs very nicely. Oh, who's making noises? Okay, come here. Let me hold you. Nope. I'm feeling some nails. We're going to do nail trims after our next sounds. But Miss Teal and Miss Black, they just kept coming over to me and over to me because they are my social butterflies out of that group. And I think they probably practiced the stairs probably double the amount of times that everybody else did just because they kept coming over. It was really funny. Oh, we got some climbing. Come here. All right. Okay, one more time. Then we're gonna do our nail trims. Great job. All right, let's put you down, Mr. Green. Let's see if it works. That was awesome. Miss Purple, you ducked after we turned the sound off. Oh, that's funny. It's hard when you're learning new things and going through new and unexpected surprises. Like earlier in the week when I was working with Rosie's puppies, now remember, they're really tiny also. And I had halved the tunnel, so we have a long tunnel and then I can put it in half. And so it kind of makes like this little semicircle. And I had Annie's puppies and Rosie's puppies starting to work on it. And it was just so funny because Annie's puppies, they could just run right through it and they had no problems at all. But Rosie's puppies, especially Miss Blue, it was so cute. Because it makes kind of like wrinkles with the fabric, and that's one of the things that is so helpful to work on is just texture on their paws, on their feet. And she just kind of like, I don't know, I have to put her down to show you. It was like she kind of like Clydesdale it. She was kind of like just clip-clopping over the fabric. And she went so slow to come through the tunnel the first time. It was just really funny to watch. And of course, by the end of it, she was just going through with no problems. And then, in fact, the next couple of days, we opened up the tunnel and they all can do it long ways too. But it's been so fun to watch the big puppies and the little puppies play together. They have really enjoyed just having those moments. They cuddle together, they lay on the dog beds together, but then they also play together. And they're just kind of wrestling around and really, the little ones will really paw at the big ones. And it's just fun to watch because it really helps the families that have another dog at home. It helps them know that they don't have to have any fear, that they can just play and not be worried about, big brother or big sister having to do anything to them. Playing with a bigger dog, like Honey when she goes in there and plays with the puppies, or, Bella used to do it, but now she's retired and lives more of a tidbit for you. Her favorite part is upstairs in our closet. That's her favorite place to be. But they just enjoy, or Honey enjoys playing with the puppies, and Bella enjoys just kind of like relaxing. But they just love just playing with them because the bigger dogs just give them a sense of confidence that they can play with anybody that they want to. Right, little guys? You guys using me as a jungle gym? Come here. There we go. All right. And oh my goodness, I forgot to tell you. So when Rosie's puppies and Annie's puppies transitioned out there, they're doing so good on their mushy food. They are one of the fastest guys that I have gone from like liquid, like a soupy mixture, to just that porridge mixture. And they love it. When I put that bowl down, they all swarm to it. And it's so fun because they make like a huge circle of puppies eating this food. And it's just so sweet to watch. I'm really, really proud of them for that. Are you guys getting tired? Hold on, we gotta do a little more sound stimulation. Miss Teal, you are just going everywhere. Come here. Are you gonna get the vacuum? That's my favorite when I leave the vacuum down. Sometimes they'll come and like climb on it. A couple of them will lick it to investigate. It's just really funny that, I guess it's because it's a new object. Are you guys explorers with your mouth? A lot of puppies are. Nope, see, there goes Miss Teal. Come here, I don't want to turn it on while you're down there. Okay. That definitely got everybody's attention. They probably are thinking, I thought we were done with this. There you go. All right. Mr. Black's head definitely did like a startle. He was like, "Whoop, what is that?" But then he stayed put, so that is wonderful. I told you Miss Teal is going to investigate the vacuum. She's brave, which is awesome. All right, last one. Charlie is in agreement. She said, yes, it is the last one. That was a cute yawn. All right. That might not be as brave as I thought. She just fleed, but we will keep working on loud sounds in the garage nursery when these guys move. And if you want to see how our family works together and how we and like the girls help us, check out this video here. It's super cute.